Hi, this is Ed at Quality Vacuum in Grand Haven, Michigan. We have in stock the Miele Maverick Dynamic U Upright Vacuum Cleaner. To learn more about this vacuum cleaner, please give me a call at 616-844-1400 or feel free to stop in at the store for a full demonstration. Our address is 1864 172nd Avenue. That's in the D&W Plaza in Grand Haven on Robbins Road. Like all our other machines, we back our vacuum sales with a 14-day best price guarantee and a 30-day love it or return it guarantee. Thanks for watching.